question. What does African excellence mean to you?
I mean, I honestly think that Africa's been excellent for a long time. So it's nothing new. I think that now it's us embracing the excellence that's always been there. I do believe that we're in the African Renaissance, and we're seeing a rebirth, not just in arts and entertainment, but in all industries. You know, and I think that African excellence to me means that we are marking this as the beginning of the new African Renaissance.
I think we need to do much more in terms of educating the U.S. public about African excellence. We need to change the way our country views the continent of Africa. And so to me, this event, this ball, bringing together the diaspora from around Los Angeles, I think is incredibly important.
African excellence is inherent in our being. Africa has so much to contribute to the world. Culture, food, philosophy, ideas, new ways of looking at the world and how the world operates. And I think African excellence is showing the world that we acknowledge our brilliance.
African excellence means uplifting our culture, paying homage to our heritage and our history, and doing the work to move us forward socially, politically, economically on the continent from here. I think that that's what we're doing here tonight.
In several different fields, not just Africans, but African Americans are excelling currently. But unfortunately, we need different platforms in order to help ensure that we are shining. And one of those platforms is events like this that help acknowledge the great work that Africans are doing in the community.
I'm always striving for excellence because for a long time, we've been told that we're not excellent. We're subpar. And I say we reject that. We're not less. We're greater than.